Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 5G. Okay, for that we will have several ways for it. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button and the volume down button. And if you press these both buttons, just for short, you're having a screenshot. Pretty cool, and after you can edit the screenshot or share it directly here with your friends. One more time, the power button and the volume down button, just for short together, and you're having a screenshot. And if you tap now here on the editing symbol, you are able to draw something inside or to highlight something if you want. Or here at the corners, you can crop part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website and so on. And after you can share this edited part directly, or with the arrow you can send it to your gallery. There's a second way to take a screenshot, and for that you will need the edge of your palm. So just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. Pretty cool. And of course, you can take also screenshots with your S Pen. For that, you just need the S Pen menu, tap then on screen right, and you're having a screenshot as well. So just confirm it to the arrow to send it directly to your gallery. So there's another nice tool at the S Pen menu called Smart Select. So then you can just cut out a part of it, maybe the Google bar or picture from a website, and then you can also send it directly to your gallery, or you can pin it on the screen and work on it. Now you can put it also in another position and so on. Pretty cool. And if you want to remove it, just tap once on it and go on the X, and it is deleted. Yeah, and where to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. So they're mixed up here with the camera photos. This is why I recommend to you to go here on the three bars, so the hamburger menu, and actually we are at the pictures. And I recommend to you to go to the albums, because the screenshots have here their own folder only for your screenshots. Pretty cool. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It will be really a pleasure. Maybe we see us again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.